Your roof is one of the most important features of your home, providing protection from the elements, maintaining the structure's integrity, and contributing to your home's energy efficiency. Over time, wear and tear can lead to roof damage, which may not only impact your home's safety but also result in costly repairs if left unaddressed. In Warren, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, it's important to stay proactive about maintaining your roof. One of the best ways to protect your home and your investment is by scheduling timely roof replacement. In this article, we'll explore the key benefits of timely roof replacement in Warren and why it's essential for homeowners to address roof issues as soon as they arise. Protect your home from water damage. The most critical role of your roof is to protect your home from water damage. Whether it's from rain, snow, or ice, a compromised roof can allow moisture to enter your home, leading to a variety of problems like leaky ceilings and water stains on walls, mold and mildew growth, wood rot and damage to the home's foundation. Old, worn-out roofs can have cracks, missing shingles, or deteriorated materials that allow water to seep through. Timely roof replacement can prevent these issues from occurring by ensuring that your roof is in top condition and able to keep water out. By replacing your roof at the first signs of damage, you can avoid costly repairs to your home's structure, insulation, and foundation. This is particularly important in Warren, where seasonal rain and snow can take a toll on roofs. Boost home value. A new roof adds significant value to your home, which is especially important if you're thinking about selling in the near future. Potential buyers are more likely to invest in a home with a new roof because it indicates that they won't have to worry about costly repairs or replacements in the near future. Curb appeal. A new roof can also improve your home's curb appeal, making it more attractive to buyers and increasing its market value. The roof is one of the first things people notice when they look at a home, and a fresh, well-installed roof can make a big difference in how your home is perceived. Peace of mind for buyers. A well-maintained, recently replaced roof provides peace of mind to potential buyers, knowing that they don't have to budget for expensive roof repairs. This can help your home sell faster and for a better price. If you're planning to sell your home, a timely roof replacement can ensure that you get the best possible return on your investment. Improve energy efficiency. A roof that is in poor condition can lead to heat loss during the winter and cool air loss during the summer. This can cause your energy bills to rise as your HVAC system works overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Proper insulation. During a roof replacement, the opportunity arises to replace or upgrade your roof's insulation. Insulated roofs prevent air from escaping or entering, which helps your home stay cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Reflective materials. If your roof is being replaced, consider upgrading to energy-efficient materials like reflective roofing or cool roofing systems. These materials reflect sunlight, keeping your home cooler in the summer, reducing the need for air conditioning, and ultimately saving you money on energy bills. By replacing your roof on time, you can improve your home's energy efficiency and reduce your monthly utility costs. Enhance home safety and comfort. A deteriorating roof can compromise your home's overall safety and comfort. Leaks, sagging, and missing shingles not only put your belongings at risk but can also cause more serious structural problems. Additionally, a damaged roof can affect the comfort of your home by allowing drafts or extreme temperatures to enter. Structural integrity. Timely roof replacement ensures that your roof is stable, safe, and secure. This prevents the risk of roof collapses, sagging, or any other structural issues that could endanger your family or belongings. Comfort. A new, properly installed roof improves the overall comfort of your home. Whether it's keeping the heat in during winter or preventing the summer sun from raising the temperature indoors, a new roof can help maintain a consistent, comfortable indoor environment. Avoid costly repairs and future damage. While replacing a roof may seem like a significant upfront cost, it can save you much more money in the long run. Ignoring roof damage or postponing a replacement can lead to more extensive issues that require costly repairs. Minimize repair costs. Small issues like missing shingles or a few cracks can quickly snowball into much larger problems, leading to extensive damage that can affect the walls, attic, and even the foundation of your home. By opting for timely roof replacement, you can avoid expensive repairs that may occur if the issues are left unchecked. Prevent future expenses. The longer you wait to replace your roof, the more likely it is that you'll have to deal with costly repairs, including fixing water damage, replacing insulation, or repairing structural damage caused by leaks. Timely roof replacement helps you save money by addressing the problem before it grows. Stay ahead of seasonal weather. Warren experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, from heavy rainstorms in the spring to freezing temperatures and snow in the winter. Timely roof replacement ensures that your home is well prepared to handle these weather challenges. Winter protection. Before the harsh winter months arrive, replacing your roof ensures that your home is adequately protected from snow, ice, and freezing rain, which can all cause damage if your roof is compromised. Spring and summer storms. After winter, spring and summer storms can bring high winds and heavy rainfall. A newly installed roof will provide superior protection during these stormy months. Conclusion. Timely roof replacement in Warren is essential for protecting your home, boosting its value, improving energy efficiency, and preventing future damage. Whether you're dealing with wear and tear from the elements or planning to put your home on the market, replacing your roof when necessary ensures long-term peace of mind. By choosing professional roofing services, you can safeguard your home from the elements, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure that your roof remains functional and secure for years to come.